Levelux series can produce 5 types of water by 4 basic operations. To produce Kangen water, press the power button to turn on the power.
Power on. Kangen water 9.5.
Then press the Kangen button to select the Kangen water mode, ranging from pH 8.5 through pH 9.5. The pH will be changed each time the button is pressed. Set the lever of the diverter to ion to let the water supply faucet open. If the water flow rate is too low, the alarm will sound and a message appears on the display. Open the faucet further. Kangen water is discharged from the flexible pipe, and at the same time, acidic water is discharged from the gray secondary water hose. Store the acidic water produced at that time in a tank to utilize effectively. If the end of the hose touches the water surface in the tank, less Kangen water and more acidic water will be discharged. Be sure not to let the hose touch the water surface. Measure the pH value in the Kangen water with the pH test liquid set. The potable range is up to pH 10. Put Kangen water in the enclosed test tube about 1 inch deep. The pH value is unsteady in initially processed water, so run the water for approximately 10 seconds before sampling. Add about 1 to 2 drops of test liquid to the tube and shake the contents well. Check the color comparison paper. When using with glycerophosphoric acid calcium, take off the tank cover and turn the cap of the calcium charging port located at the right top corner of the unit. Charge glycerophosphoric acid calcium into the adding cylinder located inside. By adding glycerophosphoric acid calcium, the water with less mineral content can improve in pH concentration because electrolyzation will be enhanced. Next, we will find out how to produce acidic water. Acidic water is not for drinking. First, press the acid button.
Beauty water.
Set the lever of the diverter to ion and open the water supply faucet. Acidic water from the white flexible pipe and Kangen water from the gray secondary water hose will be discharged. These types of water are not for drinking. Strong Kangen water and strong acidic water can be produced at the same time. The electrolysis enhancer is always necessary when producing strong Kangen water and strong acidic water. Please add electrolysis enhancer when the display, the voice guidance, and alarm sound inform you that there is not enough of it. Fit the attached funnel into the slot and place the electrolysis enhancer into the tank. Close the tank cover and then press the strong acid button.
Strong acidic water.
Set the lever to ion and open the faucet. Strong acidic water will be discharged from the gray secondary water hose, and strong Kangen water will be discharged from the white flexible pipe. Next, we will show you how to produce clean water. Press the Clean Water button.
Clean water.
Set the lever to ion, then open the faucet. Clean water will be discharged from the white flexible pipe. Do not drink the water discharged from the gray secondary water hose. To To stop the operation, turn off the faucet. It will stop producing water. The water remaining in the unit will be discharged from the gray secondary water hose. Because calcium deposited on the electrodes in the electrolysis chamber may cause performance degradation, the unit cleans itself automatically. After the unit produces Kangen water for more than 15 minutes, the cleaning mode and the water-producing mode will be displayed alternately. The unit will automatically clean itself at the time of its next use.
It cleans it.
The unit will start cleaning automatically for about 30 seconds. Then it will start to produce each type of water. To change the sound level of the voice guidance, press the Kangen button for 3 seconds or more in power off mode. The lamp will blink and the unit will switch to the changeover mode. Press the Kangen button while the lamp is blinking. The sound level can be changed by 3 levels. Press any button except Kangen button to return to Kangen water mode.